Introducing Argusoft's advanced K-12 administration system, a comprehensive, customizable, configurable solution tailored to meet the unique needs of educational institutions. It streamlines admissions and fee management and also supports the entire student life cycle, promoting a conducive digital transformation of the school management. Our system's efficiency stems from its utilization of a cutting-edge low-code framework. This technology allows us to develop applications in a fraction of the time compared to the traditional methods, resulting in faster delivery and cost-effectiveness. Leveraging the low-code platform, we offer a wide range of pre-developed functionalities that can be easily customized to meet the specific needs of each educational institution, enabling us to swiftly integrate the new functionalities without extensive rework or delays. Experience the wonders of our visual workflow design system. With a user-friendly drag-and-drop user interface, creating, modifying, and updating intricate workflows becomes effortless. Being a low-code platform, this hence eliminates the need for coding. Our robust workflow engine ensures quick and easy execution, allowing us to complete our work in hours instead of days, boosting the productivity and streamlining processes. We have preset modules for admission management, student life cycle, class attendance, class schedules, campus management, financial aid management, ledgers and balance sheets, sponsor management, fee management, receiving payments, as well as report generation. Our comprehensive solution presents a powerhouse for effective organization management that provides a wide range of advanced features that require minimal coding. With a user-friendly interface and intuitive configuration options, one can effortlessly customize components to suit their specific needs. The dynamic dashboarding delivers real-time insights and visualizations, facilitating swift and informed decision-making. Generating multiple customizable reports allows selecting data points and presentation styles tailored to preferences. Flexible service and entity configuration align with your organization's unique structure and workflows, ensuring seamless integration with existing processes. Notably, intelligent process automation employs advanced algorithms and smart workflows to automate repetitive and manual work, saving us valuable time and resources and minimizing errors. This enhances overall efficiency, enabling teams to focus on strategic initiatives. The system is enhanced with several benefits. For example, it understands what you exactly need. It takes shortest time to the market. It is stable, consistent, and a robust framework. It is versatile and flexible and has a lower cost of ownership. The main point that must be highlighted here is the easier maintenance and high productivity that leads to improved monitoring and decision making. Some notable features of this system are that it is a visual modeler that provides role-based accessibility, also allows you to identify management and organizational hierarchy. It has state-of-the-art document manager and key performance indicators are also visible. Apart from this, you can also see alerts, notifications, reminders, and you can also access form modeling. The report manager is also customized as per your needs. Our solution offers a robust role-based access management system, also known as RBAC, to enhance security and control. Through RBAC, users can be assigned specific permissions and privileges based on their roles. This ensures data integrity, prevents unauthorized access, and minimizes security risk. The document manager efficiently centralizes and streamlines the organization's important documents. It securely stores, organizes, and retrieves files from a centralized repository, supporting various formats like reports, contracts, and certificates. Access controls enable authorized personnel to view, edit, or share specific files, ensuring data security. This solution provides effortless management of reports and dashboards, enabling parents and educators to monitor a child's progress comprehensively. The seamless integration of data analysis tools allows for the generation of valuable insights from various student data, empowering management to make informed and data-driven decisions. Our user-friendly interface allows easy access to comprehensive reports and dashboards. This offers vital metrics like academic performance and attendance. Advanced data analysis tools empower informed decision making and provides personalized support to the students, optimizing resources and fostering a conducive learning environment for educational institutions. Here is a quick glimpse of the reports and analytics dashboard that is currently inbuilt in the system. However, it may be noted that this can be customized as per the requirements of the organization for future references. This system is empowered with various features that can be leveraged for efficient learning management. These features include workflow management, intelligent process automation, web-based modeling, cloud app integration, real-time monitoring, report generation, e-signature implementation, self-documentation, debugging, and much more. In conclusion, our core offering is a customizable, low-code K-12 administration management system. What sets us apart is our innovative framework, which allows us to tailor the system precisely to your unique requirements in a significantly shorter timeline to market and at a lower cost. Our system encompasses a wide range of features designed to streamline administrative work, enhance communication, and support the entire student life cycle. From admission processes to fee management, student tracking, and intelligent process automation, it helps in many processes. But what truly sets the system apart is its ability to leverage the power of business modeler framework to quickly customize the system according to the specific requirements, ensuring its alignment with the existing structure and workflows of the organization. This means that you get a tailored solution without the prolonged development time or excessive cost associated with traditional approaches. By embracing the business modeler, we can efficiently adapt the system to accommodate changes, new requirements, and evolving educational trends. It empowers you to have a system that is not only robust and scalable but also agile and adaptable, staying relevant in the ever-changing landscape of education. Following now is a set of screenshots that shall help you understand and get a quick overview of the system and its various features. These features are customizable as per the requirements of the organization.